Invert the ordinary. Mastering the first conditional sentences with inversion. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're delving into an exciting and nuanced part of English grammar. Our focus is on the first conditional sentences with inversion. It may sound like a mouthful, but with our guidance, you'll soon be navigating this part of the English language like a pro. Before we leap into inversion, let's quickly recap the first conditional sentences. These sentences express situations that are likely to happen in the future, given certain conditions. The standard structure is if plus present simple, will plus infinitive. An example would be, if it rains, I will stay at home. Inversion means reversing the normal word order in a sentence. In English, we usually place the subject before the verb, but in some cases, especially to sound formal or dramatic, we switch them. We call this inversion. An example of inversion would be, under no circumstances will I sign the contract, instead of, I will not sign the contract under any circumstances. So how do we use inversion with the first conditional sentences? Well, the trick is to move the auxiliary verb, will, before the subject. We also replace if with should. This structure is should plus subject plus present simple, subject plus will plus infinitive. An example would be, should it rain, I will stay at home. The meaning remains the same as the regular first conditional sentence. We've just added some dramatic flair. Now, it's time to practice. Start by converting these normal first conditional sentences into their inverted forms. 1. If I get a raise, I will buy a new car. 2. If they arrive on time, we will start the meeting. Your inverted sentences should look like this. 1. Should I get a raise, I will buy a new car. 2. Should they arrive on time, we will start the meeting. That's all for today, folks. We've explored the nifty world of inversion in first conditional sentences, enhancing your grammar toolkit. Remember, practice is key, so keep flipping those sentences around. Thanks for joining us, and we look forward to seeing you in our next grammar adventure. Happy language learning!